Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the Leetcode question number 121, best time to buy and sell stocks. The question is, you are given an array of prices where price of I is the price of given stock on ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choose a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit that you can achieve from that transaction. If you can't achieve any profit, return 0. And we are given two examples. In the first example, the price is 7, 1, 5, 3, 6 and 4. So we will get maximum profit when we buy on the second day when the price is 1 and sell on the fifth day when the price is 6. So the maximum profit that we will get is 6 minus 1 is 5. Hence we are returning the output as 5. If you buy and sell the stock in any other days, the profit will be less than 5. And in the next example, we have prices 7, 6, 4, 3 and 1. So in all future days, the prices reduced. So no transaction can be done with maximum profit. Hence we are returning the output as 0. I hope the question is clear. Now let's see the approach. Let's take an example of this price which has the value 7, 1, 5, 3 and 6. First let's initialize two variables, minimum price and maximum profit. We will initialize minimum price to infinity and maximum price to 0. Next we will iterate through the prices list and we will check if the price is greater than minimum price. If the price is greater than minimum price, then it is a profit. The profit is price minus minimum price. We will find the max of current max profit and the new profit. If the price is less than the minimum price, then it is a loss. We will update the minimum price with the new price and we will iterate to the next element. I hope it makes sense. Let's iterate through this list. On day 0, the price is 7. We will check if the price is greater than minimum price. In our case, 7 is not less than infinity. It is a loss. So we will update minimum price as 7. On day 1, we will iterate to the next element. We will check if the price is greater than minimum price. No, the price is not greater than minimum price. It is a loss. So our new minimum price is 1. Now we will iterate to the next element which is 5. This is day 2. Our new price is 5. We will check if 5 is greater than 1. Yes, 5 is greater than 1. It is a profit. We will find the max profit which is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the max profit is 4. Now we will iterate to the next element which is 3. This is day 3. Our new price is 3. We will check if 3 is greater than 1. Yes, 3 is greater than 1. It is a profit. Our new profit is 3 minus 1 equals to 2. But our max profit is already 4, which is greater than 2. So our max profit remains 4. Now we will iterate to the next element which is 6. This is day 4. Our new price is 6. We will check if 6 is greater than 1. Yes, 6 is greater than 1. It is a profit. Our new profit is 6 minus 1 equals to 5. Our current max profit is 4 and our new profit is 5. So 5 is greater than 4. We will update the max profit to 5. We have iterated all the elements in the list. Now we will return the max profit which is 5. I hope the approach is clear. Now let's get into the implementation. First let's declare two variables, minimum price and max profit. Min price equals to infinity. We will initialize max profit equals to 0. Max profit equals to 0. Now we will iterate through the list for price in prices. If price is greater than min price, if price greater than min price, then it is a profit. Max profit equals to max of the current max profit and the new profit, which is price minus min price. If the price is not greater than min price, it is a loss. Else, we will assign price as the min price. Min price equals to price. That's pretty much it. Now we will return the max profit. Return max profit. That's pretty much it. Now let's submit it. This is float of infinity. INF. Now let's submit it. The solution got accepted. I hope you like this video and I am sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe and I will see you in another interesting Leetcode interview question. Thank you.